Yeah, all the time.
Take two on the threesome.
I'm Alex Dupont and I'm playing Meyer Wolfsheim in Gatsby's.
I'm Mario Jones and I'm playing Eyes and Kilspringer.
I'm Stevie Stanton and I'm playing Klipspringer in Gatsby's.
Please, can you tell us about your characters?
My character is responsible for the character of Jay Gatsby having his wealth, bootlegging experience, and essentially his wealth and his career. I'm responsible for that. And very shady character.
Tell me how you brought your persona to the role, so like how you took on Wolfsheim as in this adaptation.
He was inspired by the guy from Team America.
Okay, go Mario.
Well, Eyes is a guest at Gatsby's party and he has a big fetish for vinyls. He's like this guy who absolutely loves getting drunk, and to be honest, it was just a wonderful opportunity because it's just so much fun. Like in order to play the character of Eyes, I decided to take some fancy shades to make myself look further like a nocturnal 180-degree head twister, and I've sort of like wanted to mimic sort of the mannerisms of a mixture between Danny DeVito as the Penguin and Tim Curry being Tim Curry. And to be honest, I'm really enjoying taking up the role this way because it's just, you know, I just want to admire the vinyls while drunk.
Okay, and Mr. Stanton.
So Klipspringer is a Russian man. He's from originally St. Petersburg, and he plays piano for Gatsby. He doesn't actually play piano at any point in the play. His excuse is fatigue, an excuse that I've used on many an occasion. I'm not really inspired by anything in particular. I can't think of an actor that I drew from. It's 5 lines, to be honest with you. What I am is an incredible dancer, and I think I was inspired by a mix between Michael Jackson and Michael Jordan as well. You wouldn't think it. He's actually got some good moves.
And Prince.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. If you could, as a three, maybe in sync, say when the show is. So it's Thursday, 7th of May.
May the 10th.
Okay, so I'm going to count you down.
Sorry.
Is it what date is it, Stevie Stanton?
It's 8th of May, my birthday.
No. What day is it?
It's 10th of May.
There we go. Okay, so 3, 2.
What order are we saying
Three.
it? Alright, you lead.
2, 1, go.
10th of May, Thursday, 7 p.m. performance
Thursday?
gym.
I knew this was going to happen.
That was brand new. You didn't need to hear Thursday.
Sorry.
Go on,
people
Mr.
know
Pond.
what
Just tell us the date.
Be there, May 10th. Performance gym at 7 o'clock. Get there
2018.
before it sells out. Again.
Cut.
No.